Number 62, find dy over dx. So in order to find that, first we need to find the derivative using this formula. The derivative of u to the n is going to be n u raised to the n minus 1 times u prime. So dy dx is going to equal n is 5, and then times u. U is going to be everything inside the brackets, so the natural log of 7x cubed plus 8, and then this is going to be raised to the n minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4, and then times u prime. So the derivative of ln 7x cubed plus 8. So to find the derivative of that, we need to use this formula. It's going to be u prime over u, where this u prime is different from that u prime. So the derivative of what's inside, the derivative of 7x cubed plus 8, that's going to be 7 times the derivative of x cubed, which is 3x squared. The derivative of 8 is 0, divided by what's inside of ln, so that's 7x cubed plus 8. Now the only thing we can really do to simplify this is we could multiply 5, 7, and 3 together and just put it in one fraction. So we can write the final answer as 7 times 3 is 21 times 5. That's going to be 105. And then we have x squared ln 7x cubed plus 8, and this is raised to the 4th power, and this is all divided by 7x cubed plus 8. So that's going to be the final answer for this particular problem.